Hi, Scott Pohl here. I'm a USBC certified coach. I get asked a lot, well, when do I need coaching? When do I need a coach? I'd recommend everybody needs a coach. Well, why is that? Number one, you can't see what you're doing. Have a coach watch you bowl, give you some pointers on possibly to see how you can improve. A lot of ways to do this, show some videotape to each other. Bounce ideas back and forth. A lot of the time a coach can give you suggestions, maybe it doesn't work the first time, but what you will figure out is you can get it right eventually, all right? What are some ideas that we want to do when we do coaching? I like to work on simple aspects of the game to start with. For example, how you set up. We want to get off to a good start to throw the shot the right way. What's another thing? Well, our body position, okay? A lot of good ways of going about this. Everybody's body shape is a little bit different. We have to do it the right way. What's next? Well, the start of the ball happens, right? Want to make sure that start of the ball is going where we want. What else do we have? We have timing on how we want to walk up to the approach. We have hand position. We have how we finish at the foul line. All these areas you can bounce off your coach, get to the right spot. What's another area of coaching that I see a lot of people need improvement with? Lane play. Definitely adjusting the correct way on lane conditions, carrying the pins the right way, how we want to throw the ball on the right path, lots of different ways to strike, be effective, and hit the pocket. What's another area a coach can definitely help you? Well, the coach should know a very respected pro shop owner, unless he isn't one himself. He can help you with the right ball, how to maybe drill it, maybe even possibly work on a newer grip. The hand is always changing. Fine-tune these areas, especially as we get older. Our hands change, body shape changes, sizes change. Make sure you adapt to those. What else can we have from a coach? Well, mental. Mental is a very big part of the game. Possibly you're in a slump. A mental coach can help you get over this. What can he do or she do? Can give you different ideas to approach the game, have a fresher attitude. What else can we do? Well, a mental coach can help you deal with pressure, whether it's dealing with the right routine, what things to focus on, and what we can control. Always it comes back to number one. The fundamentals are the key at any sport, especially bowling. Look up a good coach, they'll help you.